Another great math website is PhET Interactive Simulations, PhET Interactive Simulations. In fact, it isn't only for math, but it provides extensive experiments in the area of physics, chemistry, earth science, and biology. Let's go ahead and what they have to offer for math. You will notice that very similar to DIDAX, PhET has different available simulations that can help students understand mathematical concepts much more clearly. For example, you can see that they have different simulations revolving around building fractions, equality, so using a balance, as well as fraction equality and fraction matcher. Let's go ahead and click on the arithmetic simulation. This one is very nice, especially for older students who are working on multiplication or division. You go ahead and start by clicking on the multiplication button. It will ask you as the teacher to choose the difficulty level. In this situation, I'm just going to choose level 1. Here, the system, the simulation, will go ahead and give you a multiplication problem, 1 times 1. It also gives you a nice visual to show you what the answer for 1 times 1 is. And I can see that there's only one purple square, so I'm going to assume that the answer is 1. I'm going to check. Wonderful job. Then it gives me another problem. 4 times 6. This has already been pre-filled out by the simulation. All I have to do is count the number of boxes that are shaded purple. This allows me to then solve the multiplication problem. All I do is click and check. They also have division. And if I go back to this, I can click on division. And it will do the same. It will ask me the difficulty level. I'll choose level 1. And for this one, they would like for you to go ahead and find the missing number. So it's not division in the sense of dividing objects into different sections or into different circles, but they're still having students use a multiplication chart to use and solve division problems. Hopefully you find this website helpful.